US 6 Serenity Towers has already been fined thousands of dollars for ongoing problems at the complex. Today, more fines were tacked on as those with the towers were back in court for a status hearing as the judge expressed even more concerns, saying the complex may have to be shut down.
And that complex is home to many elderly residents. WREG's Dorita Patterson has the latest.
A new week. Unfortunately, there's nothing new when it comes to mounting repairs the owners of Serenity Towers were ordered to fix. You see the woman in the white shirt whose back is towards the camera? Well, she stood in front of environmental judge Patrick Dandridge as a representative for the South Highland Street high-rise for seniors. Who was not there was an attorney to speak on behalf of the taxpayer-funded complex.
I'm getting very concerned about Serenity. Just want you to know, council should be present. That's non-negotiable.
Also not present was the executive VP of Millennia Housing Management, the company that runs Serenity.
Any reason why he's not here? I wanted somebody from corporate at the very least.
I understand.
But what the court cannot understand are the ongoing problems with the HVAC systems. We have reported on a lack of air conditioning, and with the temperatures dropping, there are new concerns regarding heat to stay warm.
All right, I'm going to issue a $2,000 fine on the air situation.
And still another citation has been handed down.
Hot water needs to be restored.
For that, another $1,000 fine. Finally, the ongoing issue of elevators not working. As part of a WREG investigation, county code officials told us the owners were behind by some $80,000 to the elevator vendor, Otis Elevator Company.
We've engaged with Otis. We've engaged with the corporate office at Otis, so they've agreed to make the repairs.
As things stand, Memphis Fire says there's only one elevator in each of the two towers working.
So we are going to move toward closing this. If you can't provide services that are required, it's not making any sense to the court whatsoever.
Judge Dandridge certainly not mincing words, saying this is a very serious situation. He also alluded to the fact the company doesn't appear to be taking this seriously, as counsel was not even inside the courtroom. We could learn much more as Serenity has been ordered back to court this same time next week. We'll keep you updated. Reporting in downtown Memphis, Dorita Patterson, WREG News Channel 3.
A lot of residents affected by what's happening there, and because no one from Millennia, the company that runs Serenity, was in court, we did reach out to get their side. So far, no response. As for the elevators, the judge reminded Serenity's representative they were ordered to be working by October 13th.